Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install WordPress locally by using LocalWp. This is the easiest way to create WordPress website on your computer without buying hosting or a domain. First, open your browser, go to LocalWp. Here you can see the download option, click download. Then you have to choose your platform. Here you can choose your Mac or Windows. So here I click Windows. Then you have to give your details. Now you have to choose your organization. So I'm basically a freelancer. Now click on this and you have to give your email. Here your download is starting. After completing your download, you have to click the file. Then you have to click on anyone who use this computer. If you want to choose for yourself only, then you can click here, but I will go for the first. You can change your browse where you can place your WordPress website. So I prefer you to choose the default one. You have to click in finish. You have to click the terms and condition. You have to create a account here. I am continue with Google. Here is your interface of LocalWp. Now you can create any website from your local site. So you have to click create a new site. Then this create a new site. You have to give your site name. I am giving here. Here is your preferred option. You can select the custom and choose your PHP version by your own. You can select the web server database also, but as a beginner, I prefer you to choose the preferred one. Now you have to give a WordPress username and a password, which may use in the sign in. You have to give a password here. Here you have to give your email address. You have to allow all the terms and conditions here. Then it may take some time. Your site is ready. Now you have to click on WP admin. Here is your login dashboard. You have to give your username here. You have to give the password to click on the login. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Now you can create any website you want. You can choose any theme here. You can add the plugins you want. So this is for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.